This is a BabS creation. She made this a while ago. These are golden Keishi Pearls, really nice size. These are 14 karat gold stardust beads. And then the back, let me lift this up. That's all 14 karat gold, not gold filled, not gold plated. 14 karat gold stardust class. Price was $3.95. The size is 16 inches. Part of my desk behind this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely exquisite. I'm going to take $100 off of this. Sell for $295. You have to understand, these gold beads, they're real 14 karat gold. This isn't plated. This isn't gold filled. That clasp alone is about $125. Just for the clasp. The pearls are about $150.